Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of PlayerAuctions.com. So PlayerAuction.com is basically an online platform that is a leading marketplace for gamers where you can buy different coins and different other game credits. So this platform has basically been there for a long time. As you can see, once I tried for search about their domain name, it was registered back in 2000. So it's existent for such a long time is a really green and big green signal. Why? Because being there for a long time actually increases the trust rate. And they also have claimed that they have a fraud protection and reputation and feedback is actually based on some customer reviews, and they have an automated payouts, so you need not to worry about the payments method, because I've also tried to search about any SSL certificate. So the domain name has a valid SSL certificate, so the payment option is also very safe. So they have been trading since 1999, and we have verified this on playerauction.com as well, and the reviews that are mentioned on their website are actually really good. So I try to search for it outside as well to validate the authenticity. To validate the authenticity, as you can see, I've searched for it on the Trustpilot website, and they have a 4.2 ratings out of 5 stars, and it is based on 15,603 reviews, which is actually pretty much incredibly excellent. So it means that this platform is actually legitimate and you can just invest your money. So it's safe. As you can see, the people are very much satisfied, most of the people, by purchasing different gaming stuff from this platform. Apart from that, I've also seen reviews of this platform on reviews.io, and it has a really good rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, and it is also based on 868 reviews. And most of the people are actually praising that it was pretty much safe and the process was streamlined and simple to follow. So in conclusion, I would say, like, you can purchase your gaming stuff, gaming items and coins from this platform, because it seems like a really well renowned and structured legitimate store. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product or platform, just do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.